Hi, what's going on YouTube? I'm Zeeshan Hurmaz back with another hot crypto project. Today we are going to check launch. So what is launch? Launch project related all the links you will get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you guys about the most trusted and reliable project. You should always do your own research before investing in any project. And if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started recording launch. So firstly, I'm highly recommended this project for all of you. You must be tech entry in this project, because you know this project are listing in many. This will be partnership with many projects. You can see right here. If you look to VLaunch supports the following chains. You can see Ethereum, as well as Binance Smart Chain, Polygon Protocol, Phantom Protocol. So this is a very big promotion of this project. You can see any project. If you look to any project, they can't list in too much chains like Ethereum, as well as in BNB, and as well as Polygon, FTM. So this is a big improvement of this project. But here I want to give you some detail about that. VLaunch provides every person around the global a fair chance of investing in a tier 1 project backed by the biggest crypto leader in the world. So here, if you want to participate in this project, I will highly recommend it, and I will be completely show at the end of this video how can you buy this one token and stake it in this website. So right here you can see they have all many projects. Launchpad, you can see VLaunch and Rainmaker, a free global platform to play. So this is a very important for that, because you know, if any coin, any project have many events, it means they have more potential and they will be boom in sometimes. So this is a very important for that. And we'll give you an update about VLaunch, because it is also too much important. You can see from right here Telegram, I think so. It is all about 1,21,4645 almost. And if you see the VLaunch project, so it is all about, you can see right here. And if you look to main website of that, you can see right here world biggest influencer backing. So they also back many big YouTubers, like you can see Cheers, MMC Crypto, and Crypto Move, Altcoin Daily, Demon, Bitboy Crypto, and Invest in Inversion, and you can see also Healthy Pockets, Crypto Future. So this is a big YouTubers which will be picked from VLaunch, and VLaunch will be go work many for that, because if any project invite a bigger YouTubers to invest in our project, that means this project will be more and more potential. So right here, make sure you buy the VLaunch right now. These projects still have lots of potential. Here we are on the website of the VLaunch, and I want to clarify about VLaunch, because you know about is also too much important. Influencer backed VLaunch is the first fully influencer backed launchpad that can provide project with a massive global exposure and to boost performance. So it has fair and transparent. It is also about too much important, because you know VLaunch ensure fairness and transparency for every through its decentralized nature and support of multiple blockchain. Highly quality project. Yeah, I know about that. I already told about that. This is a very highly quality project, because this project have supports multiple chain, as well as have invite a bigger YouTubers, big fans YouTubers, and as well as if you look to this project have a lot of others projects. So that means this project is too much important for us, and they will be boom in upcoming time. You must be participate in that. So you can see VLaunch has a global access to the best upcoming project and select only top tiers project with the highest industry standard. So you can see our network makes VLaunch possible partners. So I already told about that. They will support many types, but right here you can see the partners are many. You can see IP partners like Capitals, MetaVest, and you can see Doug Dido. So it's a bad, so that means they have more partners, they will be done more partner with others. But it is very important, because whenever any coin or project are listed on bigger exchange, that means they in that time they will be take a high hype in that time, because if any project are listed in a good and best world best project exchange like KuCoin and Binance, so in that time they will be gain a hype. So it means that you must be taken into in that, because token not trading yet. So it means token not trading yet. But this website means that this project means that we are not this is the not end of the token. We are more exchange are getting announced on, so it means they will be work on more and more exchanges. They want to promote ourselves more and more, so it is also better for that. So if you want to launch your project on VLaunch, so it means that if you have any idea, are you about to launch a crypto project and want to increase your reach, momentum and community to ensure a big buzz around your project, feel free to contact us. So means that if anyone expert is here and he created any type of project, that means you will be feel free and contact with these projects, and you must be placed your Telegram username and your name, email, and about your project. So submit, they'll be give you answer as soon as possible. So this is also the beauty of this VLaunch. Right here, if I look to this Twitter account, because Twitter account, why I'm saying about Twitter account, because right here I'm just gonna to the community of this token, because community is also too much matter, because whenever community of any project is more, this project will be more and more potential. Okay, I want to clarify some or importance. If you want to get a free airdrops or free crypto signals, so make sure please come to our Telegram channel, link in the description box, and join us. I'll be give you free of cost airdrops. So you can see the community is all about 196.9k followers. It means community also too much better. And you can see project name is VLaunch. I already told about that. But here is very important about that, because VPAD contribution lottery is next. So Whitelist closed lottery in 6 hours. So this is also I told about that in my Telegram channel. But right here, if you want to participate in the upcoming more and more lotteries, so make sure you come to my Telegram channel, link in the description box. So I want to clarify about upcoming projects. You can see they can just done 2 projects, but upcoming you can see they want to plan more and more. You can see from here they want to plan more and more in upcoming time. They will be get more and also placed more project here. So you can see launch project. So also you can see they have also working on launch projects, and I want to come to this place. This is also all about that. But at the end, I just want to clarify you how can you buy this one project. So first of all, you must be search in the Chrome web store. After that you simply click on that. If you just click on that, then you will be come to this place. So first of all I want to back from the here because I want to clarify every step. So whenever you click on that, then you simply click here, here, and you just simply write MetaMask. If you click on MetaMask, then you simply click on that, and here it's simply write that at add extension. So if you click on that, then you just give a permission to that and allow that. After that they will be installed in some time. It's all depend upon your network, and whenever they will be installed, then you simply click on that, and after that your extension will be added here. After that you make sure you have already account about that. If you don't know about how can we create account about that, so please tell me in comments box. I will be uploaded directly about that. So you can see from here, you can see if you want to stake here, first of all make sure you must be connect this one to MetaMask. If you just click on the connect button, then directly or MetaMask wallet are open. You must be just simply click on that. After that, because I have not create MetaMask, because I'm just using MetaMask in my second website. So here you simply create your MetaMask. After that you simply click on this tag, and you will be sweep your VLaunch with the pair of Ethereum, or you can see from here you can see from here Ethereum, Airbnb, or Polygon, FTM. So I hope you like all about that. So if you like the video, please tell me in the give me a reliable feedback in the comments box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.